Natsuse Onsen Miyakowasure. This is Kusabue. And this is the VIP room here. It's the top room. Natsuse Onsen is the area. Miyakowasure. Miyako means capital and wasure means forget. So it's in a remote part of Akita prefecture. But people long to go back to the main capital city of Kyoto, and so I guess this place, if it existed in the olden days, would make people feel like, hey, I don't miss the capital city or my hometown, because a lot of people were transferred over here during the early days to administer this remote region known as Tohoku. So anyways, this is in Akita prefecture, just like the Akita Inu, the dog. And it's near Lake Tazawa or Tazawako in Semboku is the county, I guess, Semboku-shi. And so you have, this is the top room, VIP room, Kihinshitsu. It's modest by top Ryokan standards, but this place does have authentic hot springs onsen and it supposedly has first-rate food. It's a small ryokan, and I don't know where this leads to. So this is the, turn this on. Yep, this is the shower room. Up here. Here it is. And then you can either go out this way, but we'll go out the front way. So all rooms here have built-in in-room private onsen baths. They also have a communal gender segregated bath, which, it's called daiokujo. And they also have one private bath that you can rent. All guests can rent or reserve on a complimentary basis. But look at this. So this is the bath. So the difference is, this is the standard onsen that you go into. And then over here, you can see that you can kind of sit and lay down and lean your head back and just chill out while enjoying the view from the room. This is the end unit, the very far end of the corridor. You can see the wonderful nature all around. So to get here is off the main road. It's about 3 to 4 kilometers of gravel road, in a windy road with nothing but a lot of foliage around and a lot of switchbacks. But looking at this, it looks like it's going to be worth it. I don't know that we really need to go in the private bath, but we did reserve it. And it's reservable on a first-come, first-served basis. So make sure you put in the request for your bathing time as soon as you check in, like we did. So I didn't show the bathroom, the toilet, but you know what they look like. They all look the same, especially in Japanese ryokans. So Natsuse Onsen Miyakowasure. It's not far from Kakenagashi, former samurai town, a merchant town. That's known for its sakura cherry blossoms when it's in peak bloom. And it's also near Lake Tazawa, among other things, in Akita prefecture. This is Kusabue, the VIP room here. Hope you enjoyed.